Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss the application was unable to start correctly fixed. Right click the program and click properties. Check the run this compatibility mode for. Select the version that work well with your program. Click apply and OK. Again right click the program and click properties. Select compatibility tab. Check run this program as an administrator. Click apply and OK. Click search, then type cmd. Open cmd run as administrator. Select yes. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click enter. Thanks for watching.